my name is Aman Sharma and I am your mentor for CSC at Europedia. So today this video is regarding the MS opportunities in Germany. So the most important feature of doing MS in Germany is that most of the colleges will have no fees. So वहाँ पे फीस का कोई इशू नहीं रहता और स्कॉलरशिप भी आपको बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज प्रोवाइड करती हैं. और दूसरा ये है कि इफ योर बीटेक इज इन अ कॉलेज वेयर यू हैव गिवन योर एग्जाम्स इन इंग्लिश, तो वहां पे टॉफल और आइल्स की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है और पूरा सीजन यहाँ पे एडमिशंस ओपन रहते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है जैसे इंडिया में है दैट यू ओनली अप्लाई इन विंटर्स और समर सेशन. वहां पे पूरा साल एडमिशंस ओपन रहते हैं. सो टुडे वी have selected a few universities that are providing these features and are very good for your MS. So let's look. So the first is University of Stuttgart. So in this, the teaching language will be English. So you can apply for the MS full time and also part time. After that, the deadline, now 15th January, the deadline, the last deadline was 15th January, वो तो निकल गई. So the next deadline for the next admission process is 15th of July. So you can apply before 15th of July. Now the courses that are being offered by the university, so the courses that are being offered by the university are autonomous systems in computer engineering, second is service technology and engineering, and third is visual computing. Now ये तीनों ही बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग फील्ड्स हैं अगर आप मास्टर्स की बात करें. दूसरी, फ्यूचर अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. इनमें बहुत सारी जो कंपनीज हैं वो अभी रिसेंटली इस फील्ड में जो है इन्वेस्ट कर रही हैं. तो फ्यूचर अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैं और ये कुछ कंपनीज हैं. दीज आर सम कंपनीज विच विजिट दिस यूनिवर्सिटी ऑन अ in each session. So Porsche, Daimler AG, Bosch, HP. So these are the these are the companies that visit the campus for your placement. So after completing MS from this university, placement जो है वो आपके लिए कोई बड़ा issue नहीं होने वाला है. So let's move on to the tuition fees. So in this university, tuition fees is varied. It may depend on various factors. So on an average they have given a number 1500 per semester tuition fees, and after that semester contribution will be of 200 euros. Now cost of living in the place where that this university is placed is not very much. It is just 850 euros per month. And there are funding opportunities available. So you can get funding from the universities for your fee and for your living expenses. You have to just go to this link and you can check what are the funding opportunities for this university. Now the next is requirements क्या क्या हैं. So requirements क्या है? एक तो bachelor's degree होनी चाहिए with at least 6 semesters in computer science or software engineering. So 6 semesters, you can have 6 semesters or 8 semesters. Not in BTech we have 8 semesters. So this is the requirement. You should have adequate knowledge of English language. So you should have a good command on English language. After the language requirements are, they are saying that IELTS bands, minimum bands required for IELTS is 7 bands if you give this paper, and for TOEFL it is IBT 95. But there is another point here that applicants whose bachelor's program was held in English, जैसे हम एग्जाम देते हैं बीटेक के तो वो एग्जाम्स इंग्लिश में होते हैं. So if your bachelor's program was held in English, you only need a university certificate. So what you can do is you can go to your university, you can get it in written in a writing on a paper that your exams was conducted in English language. Then you will not be requiring IELTS or TOEFL. After that, technical equipments and programs, internet connection, organization platform is this, content is this. Now the application deadline is 15th of July for this university. Now the next university is University of Bonn. Now University of Bonn, again Masters of Science in Computer Science. All courses will be held in English. course will be in full time. There is no option for part time. In the last university that we discussed, there was an option for part time course. Now 4 semesters will be there, winter and summer semester. So for winter semester, the deadline is 1 May for non-European citizens and 15 September for European citizens. So we are only concerned about non-European. So it is 1st of May, and for summer semester it is 1st of November. Now moving on to the fields that they are providing. So first is algorithms, second is graphics, vision and audio. Now जैसा कि आजकल है मूवी इंडस्ट्री होगी, कोई भी इंडस्ट्री होगी, so they are very much focusing on graphics, vision and audio. So these streams have a बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्राइट इसमें फ्यूचर है अगर आप इस स्ट्रीम में मास्टर्स अपना कंप्लीट करते हैं. आफ्टर दैट इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन मैनेजमेंट, थर्ड है, फोर्थ है इंटेलिजेंट सिस्टम. These are the 4 fields that are being. Now after that tuition fee. Now in this there is no fee, but you have to give some it is a public university, so you have to give 330 euro per semester. So there is no fee, but you have to only give 330 euro per semester. So the cost for this university is very low. Cost of living is, it is only slightly above the European average. So the living expense will be a little bit greater than the previous university that we have discussed. So it is 800 to 1000 euro. In the previous university, the place where it was situated, it was 850 euros. In this it is 800 to 1000 euro, but there is no tuition fee. After that, funding opportunities within the university are not present, but still you can work part-time at some outlet or some food store in order to manage your expenses. So there is no tuition fee and only 300 euro per semester university contribution. After that, the requirements: Bachelor's of Science degree in Computer Science, additional qualification requirement for bachelor degree, credits in theoretical computer science, mathematics, program, etc. After the mandatory documents, you should provide them the transcript. Transcript क्या है? The CGP जो आपका हर सेमेस्टर के बाद CGPA का, जिसमें आपका एक स्कोर शीट निकलता है, जिसमें आपके number of subjects, number of credits and the type of grades that you have acquired in that subject. After that, IELTS result, statement of purpose, curriculum vitae and a letter of motivation. So these are the documents that you have to provide in order to get selected in the university. उसके बाद you can get more detailed information about the university from the link mentioned below. So the next is University of Cologne. So in this Master of Science, language will be English. Now languages, all compulsory courses and vast majority of elective modules are held in English. So the most subjects and the majority of subjects will be held in the English language. A very small subset of elective modules, so the subjects that you will choose yourself, the electives within the area of mathematics and computer science are offered in Germany. However, the students can study the program 100% in English. So there is also an option for studying them in English. So it is a full time, there is no option for part time. Mode of study, less than 50% online, 4 semesters will be there. Now beginning in the course will start in the winter session. So applications are only possible for the winter session. Next is the type of fields that they are offering. So first is computational astrophysics and space physics, computational biology, earth system sciences, theoretical chemistry, theoretical condensed matter physics. So the fields that they are offering during the course is more related to science, physics, biology and chemistry, and most of them are in theoretical physics. So you will be doing a lot of paperwork in this field of works. Now after that, about the fee structure and all, tuition fee per semester, there is no tuition fee per semester, but you have to again contribute 280 to 300 euro, between 280 to 300 euro in the to the university fund. After that, cost of living again 900. So the cost of living that we have seen till now is 850 for University of Stuttgart. After that 800 to 1000 to for University of Bonn and 900. So the cost of living is around 800 to 1000 in all of the universities, but there is again no funding opportunity as there is no tuition fee, so there is no funding opportunity by the university, but you can still work at some outlets in order to manage your living expenses. So ये कुछ universities थी that we have discussed today. We will be coming with more such universities where you can apply and where you can get your masters in computer science in a very good field with the minimal expenses. So I hope you like this video. So keep watching and thank you.